Before buying woodworking tools, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. First up is the RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. Priced at just $19.99, this tool is a bestseller and caught my eye because of its unique double-edged design. If you want precision in your cuts, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the 6-inch SK5 steel blade, which is flexible and designed for flush cuts. This means you can easily get those clean edges without a lot of hassle. The 17 TPI side is perfect for hardwood, while the 14 TPI side handles softwood like a charm. With over 6,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this saw gets the job done. Now, some people complained about the handle feeling a bit small for larger hands. Here's the thing, though, if you're doing detailed work, the size actually helps with maneuverability. It might not be a deal breaker unless you're planning on heavy-duty use. This is perfect for you if you're a woodworker looking for a reliable hand saw that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer power tools for larger projects. At under $20, it's a great value for anyone wanting precision tools. Now, if that smaller handle bothered you, the next one on my list might actually fit better in your grip. Product number 2, 2-Win Router Tool. Next up is the 2-Win Router Tool, priced at $49.99. This compact wood router really grabbed my attention because of its powerful 800W motor. If you're looking to add versatility to your woodworking, this is definitely worth checking out. What makes this router stand out is its speed. It can reach up to 30,000 RPM, making it perfect for routing, trimming, and edging. It's paired with 15 tungsten carbide bits, which means you can tackle various projects right out of the box. The transparent base gives you a clear view of your work, making it easier to get those precise cuts you want. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit noisy. I'll be real with you, while the noise level might be a concern for some, the performance you get is worth it, especially if you want power in a compact design. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who need a reliable router without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're looking for a full-sized router for heavy-duty work. At $50, this tool provides excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your angles precise. Product number 3, WinCrew Corner Clamps. Third on the list are the WinCrew Corner Clamps, available for $39.98. These clamps caught my eye because they tackle one of the biggest frustrations in woodworking, keeping everything aligned. If you struggle with angles, this is worth a serious look. What's great about these clamps is their robust aluminum alloy construction. The fact that they can withstand 3,000 wear and tear tests means they're built to last, giving you confidence during your projects. Some users did mention that they found the clamps a bit tricky to adjust at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of them, they really do make your life easier. If you're serious about woodworking, the initial learning curve is worth the time. This is perfect for anyone doing cabinet work or complex assemblies. Skip this if you're only doing basic projects. For under $40, these clamps are a solid investment in precision. Now, if you want to ensure perfect measurements every time, the next tool is something you really should consider. Product number 4, Feek Contour Gauge. Now we have the Feek Contour Gauge, priced at $19.99. This tool really surprised me with how effective it is for duplicating shapes. If you're looking for accuracy in your cuts, this is worth your time. The contour gauge features both a 5-inch and a 12-inch duplicator, which means you can tackle various projects with ease. It's made from high-quality ABS plastic, which is both strong and rust-proof. The locking feature ensures that once you've traced a shape, it stays locked in, making it easier to transfer that contour to your material. However, some reviews mention that it could be a bit stiff initially. Honestly, that's a small price to pay for the precision it offers. Once you loosen it up, it works like a charm and can handle all sorts of shapes. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals who need to replicate intricate shapes. Skip this if you only need basic measuring tools. For $20, this gauge is a fantastic addition to any toolbox. Last up is a tool that's incredibly affordable and super handy for quick tasks. Product number 5, Fricopo Handsaw. Finally, we have the Fricopo Handsaw, which is a steal at just $6.98. This saw is ideal for quick, precise cuts, and it's so affordable that it caught my attention immediately. If you want something lightweight for quick jobs, this is definitely worth considering. The Fricopo saw features a 6-inch double-edged blade with 11 TPI on one side for fast cuts and 17 TPI on the other for finer work. It's made from SK5 steel, which means you get durability without added weight. Weighing only 2.82 ounces, it's perfect for those longer projects where fatigue can be an issue. However, some users have noted that it may struggle a bit with thicker wood. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working on smaller projects or need a secondary saw, this won't be an issue. It's incredibly handy and a great backup tool. This is perfect for hobbyists or anyone who needs a lightweight saw for minor tasks. Skip this if you're focused solely on heavy-duty work. For under $7, you really can't go wrong. So there you have it. 5 fantastic woodworking tools, all under $50, each bringing something unique to the table. To recap, we covered the RUITOOL Japanese handsaw, the 2-Win router tool, the WinCrew corner clamps, the Fique contour gauge, and the Fricopo handsaw. Each of these tools offers something valuable without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these picks will help enhance your woodworking game.